while as the finance minister of the country, the big decisions are very critical. But the human side of her realizes the importance of these small things that make that little difference in our farmers and in our people's lives, which for us looks very small. But for every farmer, it is a game-changing development that has taken place. And to be able to recognize that is the quality that I have noticed in our finance minister. So ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause to our respected finance minister for all the efforts that she makes to ensure that every citizen's life is touched and is improved and positive changes come out of them. In the last 8 years, it has been the endeavor of our government to precisely make those small changes in our farmers' lives. For us, one of the most important driving factors, and for me, maybe one of the most important objectives, is to be able to make a positive difference in a person's life. And I always tell even a large gathering that for me, when I can make a person smile and I can impact their lives, which would lead to them smiling, I think that is the greatest satisfaction that I can get. And for me, that is maybe one of the most important motivational factors also. To be able to see a smile on my citizens' faces. Today, 11 such units are functional throughout the state. On an average, each unit supports on an average 5,000 farmers. That means about 55,000 lives and families have been impacted by these small steps that we have taken. And I was just telling Madam before I came here to speak that we did not invent what is happening out here. The people have been doing this for ages, for years if not decades. And they have invented the wheel. We are only trying to ensure that we take it one notch up. So therefore, these systems were existing. People were already doing what they were or what they are doing right now. We just simply made it better. We selected the correct groups. We went into their backgrounds of seeing the kind of passion and commitment that they have. Because for us, maybe that is one of the most important qualities we look for in any human being or any group, is are they passionate enough?